So hello everyone, welcome to my channel, that is Chaudhari developer. So today we are going to fix this MySQL problem that happens in our XAMPP, that is shutting down unexpectedly. So let me show you all the problem which is happening to my XAMPP. I'll start it as a administrator. You see the Apache is working properly, it's getting connected, and when I try to connect the MySQL, it says shut down unexpectedly. So to fix this, let's start by going in our file explorer. Let's start another file explorer. We'll go into our XAMPP directory, and then we're going to be using the MySQL folder. Now here what we have to do, the first thing is we need to make a data's copy, which will be kind of working as a backup so that we don't lose anything in this process. So I'll Control C and I'll copy paste here itself. What I'll do is rename this folder as data_old. Now that it's done, what we'll be doing is we'll go into the data folder. Now we will be selecting 4 folders, that will be MySQL, Performance Schema, PHP as well the test. Now that we have selected these folders, we have to delete it. Now I have deleted it. Now what we have to do, another thing over here right now, is we have to select all the files except for the IB data. You see, I have unselected this IB data one. So I'll delete all these files. Now that I have deleted it, it's done. So now the last step, which is, it goes like, we'll go into the MySQL's data backup. Sorry for that. We'll go into MySQL's backup folder. We'll copy the whole folder here. Control C. I first did the Control A, which is select all, and I did the Control C. Now what we have to do here except is we have to unselect the IB data one again here. Not again, this is unselecting it. And so now I will do the Control C. I'll go back and this time I'll go in data. So now that we have copied it, we'll go into data and we'll do Control V, that is copy paste of all the folders which we have copied from the backup into our data. So now you see all the files are backed up here. Seems to this way it I guess fixes the problem. So now let's stop this Apache module, close the XAMPP. Now let's restart the XAMPP as a run as administrator. Let's see if this works. So far, let's give it some time. Okay, Apache is connected successfully, and I think it's done. Why isn't it connected? Okay, it's done. It's done. So that's how you fix this problem. So now that this problem has been fixed, if you found this video helpful, like this video and subscribe to the channel. And if any issue regarding this error, you can drop the comment and I can help you with that.